Good day everyone, my name is Angelo P. Corbillion and welcome to my YouTube channel, Mr. Corbi. And our topic for today is about fittings of metallic conduits. At bago po tayo magsimula, shoutout lang po kay Ma'am Irene Bunaw, Ma'am Noreen Rase, Ma'am Mary Jean Awanan, Ma'am Bernadette Balingid, and Ma'am Hermeline Sumugod. At shoutout din po sa inyong mga estudyante ngayong school year 2020-2021. Locknuts and bushing are used for connecting rigid metal conduit with screw thread to a non-screw thread box. Their sizes is depend upon the sizes of the conduit. Internal bushing used for connecting conduit to a non-thread type box. A coupler is screwed at the end of the conduit before connecting it to a box with an internal bushing. Adapter or connectors are used in connecting the end of electrical metallic conduit to a screw thread type box. Couple or coupling, joining two or more lengths of electrical metallic conduit in a straight run. Boxes are used as ceiling outlet box, junction box, switch box, or as convenience outlet box. Condulets are conduit fittings which are screw thread type and provided with openings and removable covers. The opening is provided to make the drawing in of conductors into the conduits much easier in straight or angular direction. Elbow is used when a large 90 degrees angle bend is required in joining two lengths of conduit. And now, let's have a short quiz. And that's all for today. Please click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. God bless. Thank you.